Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will be talking about duplicating and referencing queries in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical tool that you could use to analyze your data set through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, we will mainly talk about 3 points. In first, we will talk about what is duplicate query. In the second, we will talk about what is referencing query. In the third, we will talk about what is the difference between them. And basically, I will tell you where all this topic present in Power BI Desktop in the end. Now let us go further and talk about the definition of each of them. That what is reference query and duplicate query. In simple term, duplicate will duplicate the code of query, while query reference will only refer the result of the query. That means if you duplicate the query, it will only duplicate the code, while if you reference it, the result of the query will be copied. Now let us go further and talk about the difference between them. That how does the duplicating query differ from reference query? Duplicate query is generally used when you would like to create a similar query and you do not want to type the same code. You make the changes to this query. That means if you have already done the changes to some query and you want the same code and you don't want to create the new code, you just have to duplicate it. While referencing in queries means you would like to use that query result in some other queries where your original query remain as a base query, and it can be used in other queries for further processing. That means if you duplicate it, it has no link with a source file, while if you refer it, it has a connection with a source file that can be connected if you do some further processing. So this is how the difference between duplication query and reference query originate, and this is how you could differentiate between them. Now let us go to the Power QI and we'll tell you where this function exists. Now we are in Power BI Desktop in a Power Query Editor interface. If you want to learn more about the interface, you could go to my previous video in which I have told you how this interface will interact with you. Now let us get back to the question of this video. Like how do we refer or do we duplicate the query? So this is the query that has 4 queries in this file, in which if you look into my previous videos, I have made this population combined through various applied steps. If you want to learn any of the steps, you could go to my previous videos. In this video, we will tell you the duplication and reference work. The question arises, where do you find the option of duplication and referencing query? So there are two options that are available to you for the same functionality. Either you click on a population combined, in which you right click on the point, you will see a duplicate and reference. If I click on duplicate, you will see the new query will be duplicated and generated into a query section. This you can see that new query has been duplicated. So I have told you how the duplication works. Then I again right click on it. You can see the referencing. But this is the same option that I have already told you. There is another option that is also available to you in a home ribbon. When you click in a home ribbon, so when I click on a home ribbon, you will find a query section in which the manage will give you the things that you want a duplication or referencing. There is another option that is also available, that is a delete. Like when I have generated the duplication query, if I want to delete this query, I just have to go to the manage query, in which I will just click on a delete. Then this query will be deleted, which I have just made by duplication. So this is how the duplication and referencing query works, and click on delete, the query will be deleted. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.